how to reconnect your PS4 controller to your PlayStation 4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to reconnect a PlayStation 4 controller to your PlayStation 4 console. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I was playing my brother upstairs with this PlayStation 4 controller. So I had hooked it up to his console upstairs. And now I want to hook it back up to my console. But let's try to do it. Hold on. So I hit the PS button, right? And you see it blinks, but it's not hooking up to the console. I'm basically going to show you guys what you can do to fix this problem. So you see it's blinking. Let me try hitting this. So try holding share and then hitting the PlayStation button in the middle. Hold it for like 10 seconds. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you can see, it's blinking. So when it starts blinking like this, that means that it's in pair mode. Now, the problem is it's still not pairing to my PlayStation right here. So the solution to fix this problem, guys, I'm about to show you right now. Hold on. I'm just giving it a second to see if it pairs or not. So as you guys can see, it's still not pairing, even though it's blinking and everything like that. All right, so the solution to fix this problem is to get your controller and get one of these plugs. Let's show you. This plug like this. It's a plug that should have came with your console, but it's a I don't know, you probably got one of these for your cell phone, but you got to get this plug right here. If you got like an old cell phone or something that use these type of plugs, then you should be good. I don't know what they call this plug, but this is what you need to pair it. So what I did was you simply going to stick this inside of your controller. It's basically one of those plugs that charges your PlayStation controller, and you're going to stick this inside of your PlayStation 4. And when you do that, it automatically pairs your PlayStation controller with your PlayStation console. So look around your house, see if you can find one of these plugs. And if you need to purchase one, I don't know, look in the links in the description. I may even have a link down there where you guys can purchase one of these. But you're definitely going to need one of these, and you're just going to hook it up to your PlayStation 4 console. So let me do that right now just to show y'all that it worked. All right, so I hooked it up to my PlayStation. So watch this. As you can see, it automatically like starts charging. It's yellow right now. Let's see if it hooked up. I hit the PlayStation button and boom, it's blue, which means that it is hooked up to the console. All right, so I hit X. And as you can see, it went right in. Now, I have recently downloaded Call of Duty, so let's see if it works. Call of Duty, where you at? So here is Call of Duty Warzone. Let me see. I just want to see if it works now. Because I was having a problem, too, with logging in and playing Call of Duty Warzone. See, it's still locked. I wonder why. It's not letting me play it. Okay, it says friend request received. So I don't understand that. But yeah, as y'all can see, man, this is working now. I'm still trying to get Call of Duty to work because I wanted to play Call of Duty using my PlayStation because it works on my Xbox already. But for some reason, it's still saying that it's locked on the PlayStation, which is, I don't understand why. But anyway, I ain't gonna make this video too long. This is basically how you reconnect your PS4 controller to your PlayStation 4 console. It's just by using this plug right here. Again, if you need to get one of these, check the links in the description. I should have a link in the description showing you guys how to do that. All right, so for some reason, I don't know why Call of Duty's not working. Let me try out Grand Theft Auto. Okay. So it looks to, Looks like everything is working pretty good. Oh yeah, let me show y'all this. So once the controller is hooked up, like the plug is working and everything, you could really just take this out now. Your controller is going to stay connected to the console. And if you had like a second controller, let's say you wanted to play multiplayer, you wanted another person to plug their controller into your PlayStation console, all they got to do is put that plug that I just showed y'all to stick it inside of their controller and log into their account. And then when they do that, you should be able to play multiplayer, two-player modes with two controllers connected to your PlayStation 4 console. Again, I had to reconnect this controller because I took it off at first and went upstairs and hooked it up to another console. And then when I came back down here to try to hook it up, I noticed that it wasn't trying to allow me to hook it up. So I thought maybe you guys would probably have the same problem and wanted to know how to reconnect it. And so there you go. If this video had helped you out at all, if it helps you out even a little bit, man, just be sure to give it a thumbs up. That will help my channel grow a lot. And the more this channel grow, the more I can provide more content for you guys. Also, guys, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other videos I will be uploading to this channel. I'm patiently waiting on the PlayStation 5 to come out. Once that does come out, hopefully if coronavirus doesn't stop it from coming out, you know, hopefully if it does come out, I'm definitely going to be doing some gameplay videos with the PlayStation 5 console. So stick around for that. Just check back in with me time from time. And, you know, we definitely going to see what we can do. All right. So with that said, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. I don't know why that changed green. Let's just make sure it's working.
Franklin! The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list.
So yeah, as y'all can see, it is reconnected. I'm playing with the controller right now. Everything is working just fine like it's supposed to. Oh man, I can't drive. But yeah, I'll do a little bit of gameplay just to make sure the controller is not going off. Let's just check. Yeah, that's how you can check your controller status. I don't know if y'all see that battery over there, but hold on, let me get out. Because sometimes your controller, your PlayStation 4 controller could just be dead. And when your controller is dead, it doesn't want to connect as well. So let's just see. So if I hit this PlayStation button, y'all can look over the side over there and it'll show you how much battery life you got. So I got 2 bars of battery life, which I would recommend, you know, just charge your controller up with the plug. You don't really have to with 2 bars because that is enough. That's all you really need. And you can play with 2 bars. But, you know, I would put my controller on the charger if it's like a little too low or whatnot. If it's blinking, that means that it's real low. So you might want to put it on the string here. Keep it on the string for at least an hour or whatnot. And yeah, your gameplay should be good to go. Hopefully this video was helpful. Again, give this a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.